I'm going to show you today why you never use silicone on a painted surface. On these tub insulation kits you see behind me, very commonly they use silicone around the entire unit. Today I'll show you why you don't want to do that. Please join us. If you like the videos, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications. And remember, keep it a secret, but go tell a friend. Bubba's sharing home improvement tips around the world. Please join us. Here we go. The first thing I found is this was silicone caulked some 30 years ago, I'm told. They had a baseboard in here, like a rubber vinyl baseboard that went along with one of these shower over kits. The shower over kits that they sell, they're typically $7,000 to $10,000, and they come in and put a shower over top of your existing stuff. There are pros and cons to them, but here's one of the cons. They siliconed to the painted drywall. All right, now I already took the liberty of trying to paint it. This is what happens when you try to paint silicone. This is what you get. The paint is separated. See the separation? Yeah, it is not a paintable silicone. They do make paintable silicones, but they're few and far between and hard to find. I would suggest more that a bathroom latex bathroom tub and tile caulk be used that's paintable on these areas. But that's not going to happen. So there's a big reason. Also, I'm trying to scrape this stuff off with a razor blade. It does not want to come off, so that I can patch the drywall here. I replaced the floor. That's another video. But anyhow, there's your big reason. Beware of installers using silicone on your painted surfaces in your home. Homeowner, beware. Now for the cure. How do we fix this, Bubba? Well, down on the baseboards, as you can see, I'm removing, and I'm going to put a new baseboard now, caulk it with a painter's caulk. But what I'm going to do on the rest of this is I'm actually going to caulk over top of the caulk. Now, I had a lady one time tell me, you can't caulk over caulk. The caulk must be removed. Well, that's simply not true. Loose caulk must be removed. If the caulk, the silicone in our case, is solid, I will take a painter's caulk and just run a very slightly bigger bead over top of it and let it dry, and then I'll come back and it'll be paintable, rather than go through the painstaking measures of removing all that silicone. It even goes up on the ceiling. If you look up there on the ceiling, it's even all up there, silicone to the ceiling. So, what a mess. I mean, nobody's worried about the next guy. I actually used to sell these fiberglass, well, they're plastic tub over kits. I used to sell them for a company. And I one day went into the office and I told the owner of the company, I said, hey, your installers, they're using silicone on these painted surfaces. So we're basically shooting the client in the foot when they go to paint or send their painter in. It's not paintable. And he looked at me like a dog I just showed a magic trick to. And he says, not our problem. He says, we got to use our proprietary silicone caulks because we can't match the colors. And I said, yes, you can. I know a place that sells every color in the rainbow. They make paintable caulks to go with Formica, and they got every color in the book you can think of, and they're paintable. And they're designed for caulking around kitchen sinks and stuff, backsplashes to kitchen counters that are paintable. And I know a company that's actually in the Detroit area called J Cults. They sell all kinds of paintable caulks, many colors. So you can go there, tell them Bubba sent you, J Cults, near 696 near Pleasant Ridge in Michigan. I believe it's in the Royal Oak area, if you're in Michigan, in the Detroit area. Yeah, you do not have to use silicones. And like, hey, you know what? It'd be nice. Think about the next guy. Why shoot somebody else in the foot? It might be you that returns 10 years later to redo the job. And why shoot yourself in the foot? Buy paintable caulks. So here you go. I hope that helps you today. You know, when you're painting your sinks, your counters, you know, bordering paint, it should be anything bordering paint like this right here. It should be a paintable caulk. The silicones are more designed for inside the shower. When you're inside the shower, around these shelves, stuff that's not bordering paint, your silicones are used. All right, there you go. There you have it. I hope you enjoyed the videos. If you did, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on your notifications. And remember, Bubba's Home Fix-It Tips playlist. We have many solutions to your home issues. Please check us out. And I want to thank you. Thank you very much.